Hey happy people, I'm Eric Lee and you're watching 31 and Counting. Today, I have something special for you guys. This is a birthday gift I got. Yeah, I'm 33 now, I know, getting old. This gift is a 3D printer, but not just any 3D printer. This is Cr10s Pro. Some of you guys who don't know what that is, this is a 3D printer that's going to be used mainly to do masks. If y'all remember last year, me and my wife had a competition. We pretty much put together these Borderlands masks. Well, Borderlands just released, and well, they didn't release the game yet, but they did the trailer, and we're so interested in it. And that was, I want that to be one of my first projects with this 3D printer, is printing our mask. So that brings us to opening this thing up. Focus, there we go. All right, can you guys see me? It's not wanting to focus. Okay, so that brings us to one to install this. I'm fairly new at 3D printers, but I joined a few groups and hopefully they can make this a very good experience. My main concern was leveling, but the Cr10s Pro has a self-leveling mode, so I hope that I can get this going pretty quick. I'm nervous about it, but guys, I'm gonna let y'all see my mistakes. So if y'all choose to get one, y'all don't have to make the same mistakes. See you in a second. Got my handy dandy knife. We're gonna open this up. For some reason it says, what does it say? Check the box if seal is damaged. Somebody's supposed to sign this. Nobody signed it. So I felt like that's not off to a good start, but this package came fairly quick and was sealed up really, really well. And I'm excited to see what's in it. Still nervous. I spoke to some guys from a group that I just started following. I'll give you their link below in case you're interested in getting yourself a Cr10s Pro or any of these other 3D printers. Wow, this is nice. It's kind of like when you get a car engine or you get a custom gaming computer. I see all the nice new wires and that new smell. It's amazing. I'm stoked. Let me put this knife away before I hurt myself. I see you guys cringing. All right, let's get this opened up. I'm really not sure how to tackle this. I'll see you guys in 1 second. Let me get this out of the box. Voila. And like that, it's out of the box. But I'm not gonna get ahead of myself. This isn't like a camera or a new cell phone. I'm actually gonna read the instructions on this because I don't want to jam it up with something so precious and so nice. Let's see you guys in a little bit. Let's get some reading done. So when you break all the foam apart, you end up with pretty much these two parts. This is gonna be your base, which is gonna control your X and your Y, you know, your left and your right. And this should be your Z, making it where you can go up. Let's get this installed. All right, guys, so here's our progress. Focus. There you go. Here's the progress right now. For the most part, it's assembled. We'll do the software stuff a little bit later. I forgot, my wife bought tickets for me. Like I said, the birthday month, even in April, still continues. I can see you guys in a little bit. I have to go watch this movie, Shazam. Okay, so just got back from the movies and oh my gosh, Shazam was amazing. You know what? I had some prejudice going into it. Not the biggest DC fan. They haven't been structured right, and I know I get people say stuff about Wonder Woman being amazing. It was alright. Aquaman, I was rooting for it, but it had cringy moments, just a little cringe here and there. But this movie, Shazam, boop, hit it right out the park, man. It was amazing. It was a good movie, and I'm definitely gonna see it again. I gotta take somebody else. So if you want to come with me, say something. But when it comes to this Cr10, this is a project that's gonna have to be picked up tomorrow. I'll see you guys later in the morning, I guess. All right, guys. So it's the next day. Like I said, Shazam was amazing. But back to the printer. So we got this hooked up. I asked a few dumb questions. My wife had a great idea, did not follow it, but she was right. She's always right. Let's just get that in my head. She's always right. Right now, I found a plug that I want to use, like a plug protector that's supposed to stop me from accidentally hitting the power button. You can see it on this side. I'll show you in a second. But what I'm printing now is a test dog. It came with it. You want to check it out? So the red color you see at first is whatever was left in the printer when they tested it themselves. Right now I'm using a white filament, and it said that this should take, I don't know, like 20-30 minutes. We'll see. But everything looks good so far.
So I thought I needed food. Thought I needed food. So I thought I needed.
All right, guys, we are halfway done with this print. And as you can see, it's a puppy. You can see the paw right there. And these little lines are supports. So that way if something's hanging off over 50% or 90%, I don't know what the hang off part is, but what it does is support. So that'd probably be where the dog's head is. And it supports to come down there so the head of the dog can just fall off. I don't know, that's weird. Anyway, we are 50% done, like I said. I have to go. Today's my brother's birthday party, and I will see you guys later. When I come back, hopefully this print's done and it looks legit. So guys, we just got back home. It's late, but the print is done. Look at that. A little hard to see the detail because of the color, but you can see the eyeballs and everything. There's the eyeball. Those are the supports for the ears and the head. All in all, this is a really good print. I have no idea how long it actually took. When I had the stuff set up in Cure, it said that the print was going to be about 36 minutes. I had to leave, but everything was good to me. I'm going to take out the scraper. I'm going to knock it off this little board, and it's done. Guys, I appreciate you watching this video for my first print, and there'll be plenty in the future. You're watching 31 and Counting. I'm Eric Lee. We out.